wrote a program to classify the data between two groups. Actually, it's a linear classification. I just run the program and explain the rest on the program. As you can see, the first is the blue line is classified data. That's what our perceptron is classified. But the green is that's supposed to get that line soon. You see, the program just trained itself to find the green line. I just try to show the green line to what I'm expecting from the perceptron to come to the green, be same as be equal to green line to classify data as it is. I run the program again. As you can see here, I just output the um, program. As you can see, the first 11 dots wasn't classified with the blue line in the right way, and after 6, 9, 4, 3, I'm hit on 0, and I just try it again and see the output. I just undid the first time. Now you see the couple of red we have, but the blue line try to fix itself to get a better way to train its perceptron to find a better line. That's the green line, as I explained, is the line classification for our data, and as you see that my blue line is just trying. Every 2 seconds I'm training my perceptron, and you see sometimes it takes more time. If I run it without the delay of 2 seconds, it's going to be very faster. But I just want to show you how the computer trained itself to get the classification in the right way. Now you see that the reason exactly the blue line shouldn't be the green line, because already only the thing is important. It's just blue line has to classify data same as exactly the green data. Sorry, green line, and the blue line should classify. Sorry about my English. Classify data same as the green data. I run for the last time the program. As you can see, is the first time it was 8 and 3, 4, 4 and 2, and at the end it's become 3 right dots. Actually, information that is 100% is classified. Okay, I'm gonna go just run the program again, and just the first time is as you see all of them black. That means blue is getting classified, and blue line is trying to get the classified as green line, and try to find the best every time. Every 2 seconds I train my data one more time, and my learning rate ratio is 0.1. And let's see, and I'm going to explain a little bit about the source, but if somebody is interested to work together, as I said, I'm happy to have a teammate, but usually everybody is thinking about the assignment right now, and I have to join you instead of you join me, because I haven't done anything yet. And I'm going to just go further more about because this perceptron is only 3 input and 1 perceptron and 1 layer. I'm going to go for the 2 layers and 3 layers and more input, more output, and after that I'm going to go for the assignment anyway. This program is consists of the 3 files. 1 file is the main program, and second file is the reason I'm talking very slowly, not loudly, because I'm in the library in the first floor and I'm on upper and, okay. As you see, he's trying to, hasn't got the answer yet. So you still have a two perceptrons and only one, and you can see the reserve. And, and still has a two dots. Is not classified yet, and just one and two is trying to fix counting point. Not yet. Okay. Anyway, what I'm trying to say. Um, um, okay, I was saying that there is a three files. Let's I put this on here and show you the pop file. And let's this one here as well. And maybe wants to take more time. Seal is going to fixing maybe in the loop anyway. Okay, this is my program actually, and I have two class. One of the perceptron actually is the main part of the program, and the points and so this point. It just points is just creating the random data, and what I've done, I just put 100 random data created, and I try to train every time data to get a better answer. Okay, I show you the perceptron and the file is here. This is my main program. Actually, this one perceptron is my perceptron file. I show the program. Actually, it's very difficult to explain it here, but I just want to show you. This is my train function. This is my guess function, and this is my line. This is the line. How the blue line is a base of the input of my information of training data is getting better and better and better, and that's why this is the blue line. And anyway, this is just very simple, but it's a little bit tricky. Who knows if they exactly understand it, but it's how a neural networks work. It can do that. Okay, the other one is the point. It just that is it's just only for the creating the random data. And if somebody knows about the neural network, always you have to have a bias as well to just uh, because sometimes data is zero and zero. At least you have to have one input. Is not zero. That's why the last item I have my information has the three items. The first and second one for the weight zero and weight one, and the third one is the one for the perceptron. Anyway, I can explain it later if somebody wants it. And but just I'm trying to um, do some project based on neural network. Hopefully, I can do that. As you can see, I have some problem here. This cannot classify the data always. You see that it now is just four items. Oh, he got it. He got it. He got it zero. You can see zero. But because I just wanted to show you the process, and that's why it takes time, but it can be very faster. Okay, sorry about my English. I know you hate me, but I don't love you too anyway, but I don't hate you. I'm so excited about understanding and just trying to do something else. Anyway, I'm gonna upload these three files to this Slack. If somebody like it, just take it. If somebody wants to do it together, because I'm getting energy. If somebody do it together, a little bit difficult to do it alone, especially with my English. But I'm trying everything. I'm trying to improve my English. I need to talk to somebody. Just need your ear and your brain. And thank you so much. I hope it's gonna be helpful for you. Thank you.